Hello, this is Mentor Sabrina again, and this is the last lesson of the Scratch Distance Between Points quiz game. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you are clicked on your player sprite. You'll see the scripts disappear, and that's okay. It's that all of your scripts for each sprite are on that sprite, and that sprite only. So click on your main character sprite and drag it onto the starting point. Then click on Events and grab a When Green Flag Clicked block. Then go to Motion and pull out a Go to XY block and place it right underneath When Green Flag Clicked. What we want to do is we want the player character to start on this point every time the green flag is clicked. And we want to make sure that the X and Y here are the same as the X and Y values for the position of the starting point. In my case, my starting X and Y should be 189 and minus 54. So I will go into this block and change those numbers so that they are the same as this block over here, as the house block over here. So now when I hit the green flag, you'll notice he moved just slightly over a bit. Now, to start our quiz, we're going to make it so that when the green flag is clicked, their score is set to 0 and we start asking questions. But wait, what about the score? How do we store the score? Well, we're going to use something called a variable. Variables, when programming, store data. To do this in Scratch, we're going to click on the category called Data. And we're going to click on Make a Variable. You'll see this little box pop up. What we want to do is we want to name it, so call it Score, and have the circle for all sprites filled in. Then click OK. You'll see that it appears in the top left corner. Leave that there. We kind of want that to be there. We want the player to know what their score is. And you see that now some blocks have appeared. We are going to use only 2 of those blocks in this program. To start our quiz, we want to click on Events and pull out When Space Key Pressed. This is so that whenever the space key is pressed, the quiz will start. And it will run all the way to the end of the quiz before it will start again. And the very first thing we want to do is we want to set their score to 0. So go back to Data and grab the Set Score to 0 block and place that under When Space Key Pressed. Now, every time you run the code, whenever you press the space key, the score will be set to 0. If you change this 0 to 50, when you press the space key, you'll see score change to 50. However, we want them to have no score at the start, so we want it to be 0.